Metal building and roofing pros. Now use the power assistance of your drill to make fast cross cuts, lengthwise trim cuts, and circular or square outlet holes in corrugated metal. This sleek, lightweight turbo shear attachment from Malco Products quickly inserts into the chuck of a cordless drill for maximum portability. A compact telescoping clamp adjusts to fit length and width of any drill housing for easy one-hand control. Elongated offset blades with compact jaws allow the drill battery pack to clear the metal panel surface as the turbo shear head follows the rising angle of corrugations and other angled profiles. More versatile than a nibbler or double cut shear, the turbo shear always leaves a sealed edge with no metal debris left behind to attract rust. Turbo shear can operate at high drill speed to work quickly or low speed for the control you need to follow a tight pattern cut. Heavy-duty gearing and hardened carbon steel blades combine to offer long service life in 30 to 24 gauge steel roofing or building panels. Replacement blades are also available and are easily installed on the job. For labor-saving cutting speed and precision in corrugated metal, look for the Malco Model TSCM Turbo Shear attachment, wherever professional builders' tools are sold.
made countless prototypes of Nimble during development and tested them with over 150 volunteers around the country to make sure that Nimble does the job better than anything else out there. Its rubber body is specially designed to be one size fits all, so you don't have to worry about choosing the right size. You can use Nimble with either hand, left or right. A safe blade design means that although awkward packaging should be afraid of Nimble, you needn't be. Nimble's blade is made out of zirconia ceramic, a special material which is much harder than steel, so you won't need to worry about finding a replacement anytime soon. Nimble's bright colour means that you can be confident that you won't lose it in a kitchen or desk drawer. Its compact and portable size makes it ideal to have around the home or on the go. We believe Nimble can save you time and frustration on a daily basis. We've worked really hard to get Nimble to the point it's at now, and now we need your help to take the last big step and get Nimble produced on a larger scale. So please back us and say goodbye to Rat Rage with a swipe of your finger.